Change background color for any section on Shopify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure on how to change background color for any section on Shopify. So then to begin with, check your internet connection and then open up a web browser of your choice. After you open up now you'll need to log in into your Shopify account. For that, on the search box, type in admin.shopify.com. This is going to direct you to the home page or the dashboard page of Shopify. So then to make changes with your background color, you can see in the left hand side bar there are multiple options. So from the list, you need to go ahead and click on online store. After you click on the online store button, now you'll need to scroll down a bit and go ahead and tap on customize. After that, go ahead and select add section, which is located right on over here in the left hand side bar. After that, scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find an option as contact form. And as soon as you've done that, a contact form will appear right over here. If you're unable to find the section, then you can just submit a request and they'll look into your matter. Apart from it, you go to your first section, and after that, you'll be able to see that you can make changes with your information or the background. So here you need to scroll down right to the bottom and click on custom CSS. As soon as you've done that, a code will appear right over here. Now you'll need to select this particular code first of all. So then what you need to do is you need to add a code or a link right over here. For that, you need to open up a web browser. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below. And after that, you need to type in pastebin.com/mhcdhpbd. Don't worry about it, I'll make sure to leave it on my description box below. After that, you can see this is the particular background. Now you'll need to go ahead and copy the code and then paste it on this page. Make sure that you've pasted right along. After you've done that, if you want to make changes with your color, you can just copy the code, that is #03BEFC2, and then open up a web browser or the tab. Now you'll be able to with the color coordination. You can see you'll be able to make changes with your color. Select the color whichever according to you and click on and you'll need to copy this code. After that, you'll need to paste it right over here in order to replace the color. As soon as you've done that, click on the save button. After that, you need to refresh. For that, you need to log out of your information. For that, you need to log out of your account, and as soon as you've done that, the background color will be changed. So in this way, you can change background color for any section on Shopify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.